Meeting with Union Minister of Minority Affairs. Honorable Chief Minister Shri Conrad K. Sangma met the Honorable Union Minister for Minority Affairs Shri Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi as part of his visit to the capital today. In the meeting, Honorable Chief Minister expresses gratitude to the Union Minister and the Ministry for funding the construction of P.A. Sangma Stadium in Tura. The Chief Minister intimated him about the progress of the project and stated that the tendering process has started and the construction work of the stadium will commence in a month and a half. In the meeting, they discussed the proposal for setting up of a training center for paramedical staff in Meghalaya, which will be a hub and a skill institute that will cater to the entire Northeast. Considering the situation of COVID-19 today and the need for skilled manpower, the institute will add value to our healthcare system in the region, the Chief Minister said. Apart from the institute, the Chief Minister also discussed and requested for an auditorium to be set up in Tura. Honorable Chief Minister informed that the meeting ended in a positive note, with the Union Minister assuring to look into both the matters.
We discussed in detail regarding the P.A. Sangma Stadium in Tura, and I thanked him and the ministry for sanctioning that project, and I also informed him that the tendering process has already started and we should be able to allot the work in the next month and a half. Apart from that, we had also requested and discussed about the possibility of having a project for an auditorium in Garo Hills in Tura, and he has given us a very positive reply to that too. At the same time, we discussed about the possibility of putting a training center for paramedical staff, and I think in the situation in COVID, this is something that's really required, and this would be a hub and it would be a skill institute which would cater to the entire Northeast. And the Honorable Minister was very happy to see this proposal from our side, and he has assured that he will definitely look into